Join me this morning as I make these gorgeous earrings out of Dollar Tree stickers and painted wooden circles.
I've missed you guys so much. So let's get started with what we're going to do today. So remember I showed you a couple of pair of earrings that had gotten damaged because they had gotten accidentally stuck together. So I didn't want to throw them away. One pair I did have to throw away. This gloss I used had messed them up, but these two, when they got stuck together, or this got stuck to another earring, for some reason it pulled the paint off. And so I said, well, they're really pretty. I felt like they were glossed really well, and that was really the only nick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Dollar Tree stickers that I showed you in one of my hauls, and I'm actually gonna use this camera sticker, and we're gonna make a super cool pair of earrings that's gonna cover up that little nick. We're also gonna do hang a bead from it, make it just super, super cute. This pair of earrings, nothing got messed up about them, but they were kind of boring, and I was in my kind of celestial and space phase where I wanted to make some space earrings. And so this one is gonna get a super cute guitar design and some like African inspired little brass beads that I found. I think I've had those quite a while, but I think I got those from Michael. So I have missed you guys so much. My real job, right? For those of you that are new to my channel, I own a real estate and construction company called Fusion Properties right here in North Carolina, and I have been swamped. The glory of God is on my business, thank God. I'm so excited, and we're so busy. I've been hiring new brokers, and I've just been swamped with real estate work, but I missed designing and creating and talking to you all. But I've been watching your videos and looking at your Instagrams for those of you that I follow. If I don't follow you, can you share with me the links to your social media pages so I can go and follow you back and we can keep up with each other that way? So enough jibber jabbing, let's get started. I realize I don't have my E6000 glue on the table, but just so you know, I got these stickers from the Dollar Tree. They're Crafter Square stickers, love them. I'll put the next video to show up on my feed. Well, you'll see it when you get to the end of this video. My Dollar Tree haul, so you can see all the super cool stuff that I did on my Dollar Tree tour the other day. I didn't do a haul, I did a tour, I should say, because y'all have so much stuff. I need another thing, like I need a hole in the head. I got these from the Dollar Tree a while back as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna incorporate those into the design, but I have them on the table just in case. And then of course you've seen these before. This is the Jolie's Boutique. You can get these little cute little stickers from Michael's on the scrapbooking sticker owl, or just the sticker owl in general. So those are the things we're gonna be using. Of course you need any of your pieces that you've painted on. You need some eye pins. I'm doing gold and silver today because I realize, of course, people love gold and silver. You know, sometimes people like both. I like both. So you're gonna need some ear hooks, some jump rings, and then whatever doodads you wanna use. My Etsy store, I've been uploading new designs. So if you haven't been over there this week, check those out. I'm gonna be uploading some new earrings as well this weekend, so super excited about that. And I'm gonna figure out how to share a coupon code, so look for a coupon code down in the description box. And again, shout out to all of you that have been in support of the store and have made purchases. I'm really grateful. So enough talking. So the first thing I want to do is I want to drill the holes in my earrings, so I don't have to wait to do that until after they're glued. So I'm gonna move the components off to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and drill the holes in the earrings. I use the Dremel Light tool. Of course, I've said this before, but for those of you that are new to my channel, I use a Dremel Light. It's a handheld tool, a handheld drill. It charges with a little wall charger that comes with it. Oh Lord, pulling it the wrong way. In the wall, you plug it in. It is super high powered, and I use the 5/4 drill bit. It does not come with it. You have to buy the drill bits separately, but the 5/4 is perfect for drilling holes for earrings. Let me get my clipboard, I'll be right back. So because these are already dry and already been designed quite a while back, I'm not gonna worry about, let me make sure they're even though. I'm putting them the right way, okay. I'm not gonna worry about drilling from the front, even though I really don't wanna do that. But we're going for it. The reason why I say I don't want to drill from the front is because you don't want to mess up your shine, but we're going for it anyway. So if these were newly newly shellacked, for lack of a better word. I probably wouldn't have done that, but anyway, look at the perfect holes you get. It's so super quick. It is the best. And if you end up kind of nicking the gloss, you can always just touch back up the gloss and go over it. Oh, and my shirt, isn't it not the cutest? It's Michelle Obama with a crown above her head. I got this from this little discount store here in my area called Roses. I was being cheap. And they have $3.99 t-shirts because I don't like to shop, but I needed some t-shirts because y'all, it is hot. It's fire. So what you can do now is use one of these as a template to do your other earring. You just get it in the direction that you want it in, lay it down, and now you have a template for your other earrings as well. So line these up, make sure they're like you want. Sorry for being quiet, I'm just focused on lining these up. What are y'all doing this weekend? I am gonna be doing several videos for you all. My goal is 3. I have a new technique I wanna show you. So let me get all this little dust cleaned up. We're gonna come back and get these finished. But my goal is to share with you 3 design videos this weekend. So excited about that. One is gonna be an acrylic paint pour design. I always go through this table, but this is my craft table. Thank God nobody gets on me about it, right? But anyway, so I'm just gonna dust these off. So anyway, and I'm whispering because my children are still asleep, but I wanna do an acrylic pour design and show you how you can make earrings. I was inspired by a video I saw, and just show you how you can make earrings from your dried paint. And they are, oh my gosh, so super cute and artsy. So enough talk about that. So you're gonna get your E6000 glue. Of course, that's gonna show it backwards to you because the camera's not in reverse. Of course, I know there's a way to do that. I just hadn't figured that out. So anywho, let's get our glue. And I use the end of a paintbrush. That's way more than I need. So I'm gonna close this up. And what we're gonna do is take our sticker from our sticker sheet. So remember, I'm using the camera. And even though it's sticky on the background, you still want to put glue on there because, you know, if you're selling your jewelry, you don't want anything to fall off, and then that's like a design flaw, right? So we're just doing this to cover up that nick that was on there. And because the design and the color in these are so beautiful, I was like, I don't want to waste that. So I'm pressing down really hard just to get good adhesion. It's already stuck. So cool, let's get this one. Grab us a little bit more glue. These are some really high adhesive. These stickers are nice. Again, the Dollar Tree, if you're just starting your jewelry making venture, I mean, the sky's the limit, but I would start there if I wanted to stay within a certain budget or what have you. I definitely would start there and then use all the coupons you possibly can at the other stores until you build up your supplies and your inventory. You can go from there. Oh, shout out to, I think it was Lorraine. Y'all please forgive me if I have that wrong, but I want to say that Lorraine told me she's used the Dollar Tree paints and that she liked them a lot and they were really good. So try out the paints from the Dollar Tree. She said they were good and I think you would like them. I'm just gonna slide this, I want to slide this over a little bit. Okay. So slid that over. I want it to be centered. Okay, so we got that done. And now I'm thinking that I want to add a couple of these little things right down here underneath just to give it some oomph. And I think I want to add a little bit more glue under this corner because it being raised up like that is just concerning me. So anyway, I'm gonna just grab a little bit of glue, see if I can sneak that under there without getting it on the piece itself. Did y'all see in the tour I showed from the, oh, that's the sticker that lifted up. So be sure to check and see if you're having any lifting areas on your stickers and make sure to get all that stuck down, okay? But there was something at the Dollar Tree I saw the other day called a glue eraser. I think I highlighted that. So go back when you get a chance to watch that video. And that might be something to test out. see how it works if you end up with like glue residue on any of your designs. Let me unstick these. Y'all, I realize my energy is off a little bit. I normally sleep later than this on Saturday. It's like my day to sleep in, and I am a little on the tired side. But anyway, I still hope you're enjoying this video. I'm enjoying making this design for you. My coffee is going to kick in momentarily, and we will all be back in action with our, okay, so we're just gonna put a little bit on there. I'll be back in action with my energy. So I'm gonna try my best to center this before it dries, cause honey, super glue don't give you any working time. So she's on there, she's cute, and oh my gosh, it's so adorable. It's like a little record. So let's try to get this one as straight as possible as well. And I'm just using a little doodad because you don't want the glue to seep out over the edge. Ooh, that one didn't immediately do right, so let me try to hurry and move her. Let me see if they got close enough. No, I want to move that. Okay, y'all, so I had to have a come to Jesus meeting with that particular earring. So what I did was, because I couldn't move this one after I stuck it down, I moved the camera on this side so they'd be even. Perfect. So now we got our little tchotchkes on, we've drilled our holes. Let's go ahead now and design our little pieces that are gonna hang from it. So you need your eye pins, you need your earring hooks, and you need the cute little African inspired beads, and you need your jump rings. Now I have jump rings in 2 different sizes because again, I get tired of fighting with fish hooks. I know you do too. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna thread our little bead on, just like that. And so it's just gonna be one little bead that hangs. It's gonna be really cute. I thought about adding another bead to it, but for now, let's just leave it like this. So now that we have this one on here, we're gonna get our wire cutters so that we can cut that off and make it a dangle that'll hang from the other jump rings. But let's go ahead and open up our jump rings right quick so we can attach those and be ready to put all the components on. Stand by. Sorry about that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut this off, and we just wanna cut it where there's enough for us to make a really nice loop. Sometimes I cut them too short, sometimes I don't cut them evenly, right? But you can always line them up with one another this way and use the one you just did as a template. And that way you can make sure your earrings are gonna hang the same way on each side of the ear. So I'm gonna go attach those right quick and we'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. They're finished, they're beautiful. So that's the backs. Super cute, some finger paint dotting we did back there. This is what they look like. I think they came out incredible. So make you some super cute earrings this weekend. Start your earring and your jewelry making business. And now we're gonna go on to the next one. So today I'm gonna be in the next video doing a wood burning technique. I'm gonna do my best to make more than one pair because I wanna do better about making multiple pairs. And hold on, let me show you these, how they turned out. And then I'm gonna be showing you an acrylic pour technique, but we're gonna have to let the pour dry overnight because it has to be completely dry before we can use it to make earrings. So we're gonna do 2 things in one, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. There we go. Next video coming up soon. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and show me the stuff you're making, and let's follow each other on social media. Okay, God bless you, love you, bye.
So I decided that I wanted to add a stud to the silver pair as well, and they came out super cute. I love the little extra added touch of bling. Thanks for watching.